In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Google reviews with a QR code for free. So here I am at Google, and I'm going to make sure I'm logged into my Gmail account, the Gmail account that I used to set up my Google business profile originally. So I'm going to type in Big West Marketing. That's my business name. Since I'm logged into my account, it's going to show all my settings here. And when I click on the little down arrow, it's going to give me this option for ask for reviews. Okay? And it's going to give me this little link here. I want to copy this link. Okay? Now it's copied to my clipboard. Now I want to go back to Google, and all I want to do is type in free QR code generator. When I search for that, it's going to give me lots of different options. The one I tested out so far is qrcodegenerator.com. And it's got the little dashes here. So qr-code-generator.com. It's powered by Bitly. So it sounded like a reputable website. And all I did was paste in the little review code that Google gave me there. And then I'm going to download the JPEG. And up here it says your QR code is being generated. It takes a few seconds here, but then all of a sudden I double click here on my desktop and it has downloaded this free QR code for me. Now I can take this over to Canva, I can take it over to Vistaprint, and I can make my own little postcard. I can put this on a t-shirt, I can put it on the side of my vehicle. I can do whatever I want with this QR code. It's free. I can put it on a business card, and now anytime somebody scans that, it'll take them directly over to the little page on my Google business profile where people can leave reviews. That's how you generate a free QR code to get Google reviews. So my name is Joe Burnich with Big West Marketing, and my friend Mike Mancini and I got together and we created this course and this community called Service Marketing Simplified. And what this is it's an inexpensive way for home service businesses and contractors to learn how to do marketing for themselves. So this is SEO, this is pay-per-click, this is email marketing, and all kinds of offline marketing strategies to implement in your business starting right now. So let's jump into my screen here. So like I said, we've got the Google business profile. This is how to set up everything for Google Maps. This is a step-by-step tutorial on how I took an electrician from nothing, from a brand new business, to ranking #2 in the Google Maps, and everything I did step by step, all the secrets, all the ins and outs, everything you need to know. And then, like I said, my partner Mike Mancini, he's got the Google Ads. He's been doing it for 12 years. He holds nothing back. He's got all the downloads, all the PDFs, all the videos, everything you need to know, all the things to do right to have success with Google Ads. That's the pay-per-click stuff. All the stuff you need to know to do it right, and all the stuff you need to do, all the things you need to do to make sure you avoid all the mistakes that most people do, so you save thousands of dollars. And then we got the local SEO stuff. This is SEO, the stuff below the Google Maps, the stuff's to rank for all different kinds of search terms in all different kinds of cities for all the different services you may offer. Then, like I said, we've got the email marketing, and we've also got the offline marketing videos. Guys, this is the community as well. Like I said, we've got the community here, and this is where you can come in and ask questions to us, Mike and myself, and then all the other members that are also participating. This is where you can find out what you were doing wrong. If you're stuck on something, this is where you come to ask your question and get everything answered. Mike and I check this every single day. And then we also have a calendar. This is where we have the live events. We're getting ready to have a live Q&A this Thursday, and we have one once a month at least, sometimes more. So this is a community. Like I said, it's not just a set of videos. It's also a live community where we have live events and people are actively engaging in conversations. If this is something you're interested in, like I said, it's called Service Marketing Simplified. Click the link below, get signed up. We're having special offers all the time. If you're interested in talking about it more, you can always go to my website, bigwestmarketing.com, and book a call with me. Or if you're interested in SEO services or web design specifically for service business owners, let me know. Like I said, my name is Joe Burnich with Big West Marketing, and I'll see you in the next video.